Dividing fractions by whole numbers is super easy. Check it out. 2/3 divided by 4 is simple. All you have to do is leave the numerator unchanged. It's just 2. Then the denominator of the fraction needs to get multiplied by the thing we're dividing by. We're dividing by 4, so the denominator of 3 gets multiplied by 4. So this turns out to be 2 over 12, which we could reduce. 2 and 12 both have a factor of 2, so if we divide the numerator and denominator by 2, we get our fully simplified answer of 1 over 6. That's all there is to it. To divide a fraction by a whole number, just multiply the denominator by that whole number and then simplify if necessary. There's a couple of ways to think about why it works this way. One thing you might have heard is that dividing by something is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. This works for fractions and for whole numbers. For example, when we do 1/4 divided by 5, that's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal of 5. The reciprocal of 5 is 1 over 5. And in this way, we can see how the numerator is going to just stay the same because it gets multiplied by 1, but the denominator is going to get multiplied by that whole number. In this case, 1/4 divided by 5 is just 1 over 20. We just multiply the denominator by the whole number. In this next example, we're doing 3 over 9 divided by 6. Again, all we have to do is multiply the denominator by the whole number. So it's 3 over 9 times 6. Multiply the denominator by the whole number. 9 times 6 is 54. The numerator and the denominator both have a factor of 3, so we can reduce this fraction by dividing the numerator and denominator by 3. And this gives us our final answer of 1 over 18. Note that you could have made this a little easier on yourself by just reducing 3/9 in the first place. You might have recognized that 3 over 9 is the same as 1 over 3. If you did that, you wouldn't have had to reduce at the end. In this last example, we have 7/5 divided by 2. Again, all we're doing is multiplying by the reciprocal of the whole number. 7 over 5 times the reciprocal of 2. That's times 1/2. And you can see that this results in the denominator, 5, getting multiplied by the whole number, 2. And so our final answer is just 7 over 10. And that's how you divide a fraction by a whole number. Here are 4 more examples for you to try on your own. I'll put the solutions on screen now. There they are. If your answers don't match, make sure that you fully reduced your fractions. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and be sure to check out my pre-algebra course and pre-algebra exercises playlists in the description for more. Thanks for watching.
Myself up for an instant. What's going on? It's regular. I regulate my integrity. I'm a secular anesthetic from my own effigy. I didn't try just to be regular.